correct answers and just clap for yourself that you all have done the homework. Okay? I'm also clapping for you all. Okay, let's start now next. And children, one more thing. Yes, great. Yes, children. Do you all have compass and scale and pencil? All are having?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Keep ready with you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, children. Let's start. We were doing our chapter number system. And in your NCERT textbook, exercise 1.1, question number 1 and question number 2, you people have already done. 3 I have already explained. Now see, question number 4 is, state whether the following statements are true and false. Give reason for your answer. So first statement is that every natural number is a whole number. Sampath, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this statement is correct?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, it is correct.
This statement is correct. How?
Yes, ma'am, because the counting numbers starting from 1 and so on are already included in the whole numbers except 0. So all the natural numbers are whole numbers.
And Yukta?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this statement is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sampath and Yukta both are correct. Good, beta. See here, your natural numbers are starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And whole numbers are starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, your every natural number is a whole number. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are whole numbers only. Clear? So, this statement is correct. That means this is true. All have understood? Just show me a thumbs up, children. Yeah. Harshit, Yukta. Okay. Jitendra. Akshara. Okay. Pranav. Good. Okay. Now next is second statement is that every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. Whole number. Now Akshara. Akshara, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me, this statement is correct or not?
Every integer is a whole number.
Yes, bacha?
Yes, ma'am. Every integer is a whole number.
See, in this, every integer is a whole number. I have Akshara, see here, I have written the whole number. This W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the whole numbers. Right, Akshara? And your integers are, suppose, -3, comma, -2, comma, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, now tell me, Akshara, now tell me, this statement is true or false?
Ma'am, because it's minus, so we can say it is not.
It is false, right? It is not true because every integer can't be a whole number. Because in integers, negative numbers are also there. Okay, children? Have you understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshara, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. Is this statement is correct? Tell me. Every rational number is a whole number. Harshit?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, it's false.
Yes.
Because
Why?
negative rational numbers and also irrational numbers, which could be decimals.
Okay. Suppose I am taking here a rational number 1 upon 5. So this is a whole number?
No, ma'am.
No. Because the value of 1.5 is 0.2. 1 by 5 is 0.2. And 0.2 is your decimal number, not a whole number. Clear this thing, children? Show me your thumbs up, children. Have you understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Jitendra? Sampath? Okay, good. So, children, may I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next is next come to word irrational. Irrational number. So, first definition is for this is that rational number can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, right? So, first definition is which cannot be written, which can't be written in the form of P by Q and where Q is non-zero, right? And one more thing, children, in rational number, I have told you that rational number, how you can identify rational numbers that which are non-terminating and repeating. These were rational numbers now. I have told you. Have you remembered, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this case, also your rational number will be non-terminating and non-repeating. And non-repeating. Suppose, and this is the square root of 2 is, square root of 4 is 2. Right? Suppose if you are finding square root of 2, it will be 1.414. 1.414. So these type of like root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11, these all are called as irrational numbers. Clear? Yes, children? Clear to all?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And one more thing, pi. Pi is an irrational number. But when you are asking about pi, value of pi 22/7, then this is a rational number. What is it? Rational number. When you are talking about the symbol pi, then this is a irrational number. Because when you are converting this 22/7, it will be 3.14, so on. Then it will be irrational number. Clear, children? And if I am talking about root 15, so again this is an yes, beta.
Ma'am, so pi can be both irrational and rational number.
I am telling you the difference between this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, children, have you understood, beta?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I didn't understand about the pi.
Yes, beta, pi, this thing I'm explaining. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, children, have you written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next thing is, suppose if in any question you have asked that pi is an rational number or an irrational number, you have to justify this, right? So, first of all, children, what are your rational numbers? Before doing this,
Ma'am, numbers which can be written in P by Q form.
yes, which can be written in the form of
P by Q where Q is not equal to 0.
not equal to 0. Yes, good. Now, rational number is that which can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. And irrational is which cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Okay, right? Now, value of pi. Now, see, circumference is your 2 pi r or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes.
Now, from this expression, sometime in MCQs, they can ask you like this also, that this 2r will be equal to diameter or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write circumference as pi d, product
ma'am.
of pi and diameter. So then
Yeah.
value of pi would be circumference divided by diameter. Clear? So if you are finding the value of pi like this, then it will be rational or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Rational. And if pi, value of pi we have 22/7, and you are calculating this value of by division, then it will be 3.14 3.14159265359, so on. So children, here see, here digits are which kind of digits are non-terminating
Non-terminating.
and non-repeating. Non-terminating, terminating, and non-repeating. Therefore, pi is an irrational number. This thing is clear to all?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so if pi we find in fractional
See,
form,
in
then it's
question,
rational.
if you have asked that pi is equal to 22/7, if they have asked like this, on the basis of rational number theory, this can be written in the form of p by q,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Then q is not equal to 0. So therefore, this is rational number 22/7 when it is given. And when value of pi is given, 3.14 like this, 15. So then you will say this thing that pi is an irrational. Clear? Both the things?
Yes, ma'am.
But in general, if it is asked, then you will write only that pi is an irrational number. Clear, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Harshit, Pranav, Akshara, got it this thing? Jitendra, okay, Harshit. Okay. Please note it down it.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not getting the pi value as 3.1415.
You are not getting this value. See,
Yeah,
I will
ma'am,
show you.
don't.
Okay, I will show you. Don't worry. Children, have you written this?
Yes, ma'am.
All have written? Show me a thumbs up. Pranav, Pranav, where are you? Okay, children. Now I am explaining. See, 22/7 it is. 22/7. Right. So divide this 22/7. Clear? Now it will go 3 times. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja. It will be 21. Subtracted. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now put the decimal. Here 0 will come. 7 1 ja 7. Then 10 minus 7 is 3. Then again put 0. Then 7 4 ja 28. Then 20. Now 7 2 ja 14.
Ma'am, here actually you wrote 1. 1415 got it.
Where
3.15.
this value of by mistake I have written. Okay.
Okay,
3.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, beta, for telling me. Okay. Now next thing we will learn how to represent irrational number on number line. Children, kindly take compass, pencil, scale. Hurry up. And pencil should be sharp. Pranav, do you have? Show me.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Yes, Pranav.
nothing.
Okay. All are having? Just show me a thumbs up. Yes, Harshit. Akshara has shown. Okay, all are having. See, children, suppose you have to represent root 2 on number line. This type of questions, very, very important. In exam, maybe you will be asked to represent root 3 on the number line, root 5 on the number line, root 7 on the number line. Clear? So how you will represent? First of all, draw a line. Straight line, horizontal line. Mark it as O. Now, in your compass, take 1 unit. 1 unit distance. 1 unit means 1 centimeter, or you can say take 2 centimeter distance, but you will count it as 1 unit only. Clear? Because 1 centimeter will be very small. Right, children? Kindly unmute your mics.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Keep your mics on unmute.
Okay.
Okay. Now, children, take 1 unit radius, then put a arc over here on the number line. This is -1, -2. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Clear? Now mark this point as A. This point is your A. Kindly draw along with me only, beta. Now with the help of compass, at A point, draw a 90-degree angle with the help of compass only. Draw like this. Hurry up.
And the 90 degree should be at A.
With compass. And in exam also, draw the angle 90 degree with the help of compass only. Clear? Yeah? Now children, see here. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. Now, take this distance in your compass. Put your compass over A point and just put an arc over here. Mark this point as B. Hurry up. Take this distance O in your compass. This radius in your compass. And put a arc over this perpendicular, or you can say 90-degree angle. Drawn. Now join O to B. Join O to B. Till here, children, all have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, all have studied this Pythagoras theorem. What is your Pythagoras theorem? In right angle triangle, it is applicable only in right triangle, right? So, here OB is your hypotenuse and AE is equal to 1 unit. And OB is also equal to 1 unit. And OB, you don't know how much it is. So by Pythagoras theorem, we will calculating it. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square or base square plus perpendicular square. Now value of OA is 1. Value of AB is 1. So 1 square is 1 plus 1. Then value of OB square will be equal to 2. And value of OB is equal to root. Now this line segment OB is equal to root 2 units. Clear this thing, children?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so in exam.
Ma'am, can you explain it?
Yes, I'm explaining. See, we have taken OA distance. I'm explaining here. We have taken this O point, and with the help of this O point, draw a line segment of 1 unit and mark this point as A. Clear? Now put your compass over A point and draw a 90-degree angle, or you can say draw a perpendicular. Drawn like this. Now take this distance OA in your compass and cut this radius from this arc. This point, let this point be B. Now next is join O to B. Right. Now this is 1 also. So now you can apply this Pythagoras theorem. This is your hypotenuse. Largest side is your hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So here perpendicular is also 1 unit and your base is also 1 unit. Clear? Then your hypotenuse will be 1 square plus 1 square. Then it will be 2. Right? Then value of h will be root 2. So therefore, the length of this hypotenuse is root 2. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next step will be put your compass over O point. Put your compass at O point and open your compass till B. Take this radius OB in your compass. Take this radius in your compass. Taken OB.
Yes, ma'am.
Then from here, just draw an arc over here like this. Draw an arc like this. Put your compass at O point, children. Put. Now take OB radius in your compass. Right? Now again, your compass will remain at O point only. Then put a semicircle, or you can say arc like this. It will intersect the number line before 2. See? And this point will be root 2 only. Clear? Done, or may I explain it once again?
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, in exam while showing the rational numbers on number line, you have to show this theorem process also.
Yes. Not full the whole semicircle. You can draw only a arc like this. This. Like?
Okay, ma'am.
Pranav, done? Okay, Harshit? Okay. Akshara, Jitendra, Yukta.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now all have cleared this thing. How to represent root 2 on a number line. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next thing I will tell you that how to represent root 3 on a number line. So there are 2 methods for representing root 3 on number line. How to represent root 3 on number line. Again, draw number line. 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Take 1 unit distance. This point is 0 and this point is 1. A, you can mark this point. And then at A point, draw 90-degree angle, or you can say perpendicular. Draw it. Drawn. Now, yes,
can
beta.
I take radius?
Yes, radius 1 unit you can take.
Okay, ma'am.
This is 1 unit. Okay, then draw 90-degree angle as you have done in representing root 2. All the steps like this only, first of all. Now this point will be B. This is 1, this is 1, and then this will be root 2. This much we have done in representing root 2, right, children? Unmute yourself, children.
Yes,
Keep your
ma'am.
mics on unmute. Harshit, Jitendra. Okay. Pranav, unmute your mic also. Children all have drawn till here? Drawn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next step will be that on this B point, draw 90-degree angle. Again with the help of compass. And it will be like this. Draw it. At B point, draw 90-degree angle or perpendicular you can draw. Drawn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now take this AB radius or OA radius, means 1 unit radius, in your compass, and from B point mark a arc over here. Put a arc with BS center. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now mark that arc C. Join. Next step will be join OC. And this will be root 3. This line segment, length of this line segment will be root 3. Root 2 square plus 1 square. It will be root 3 or not?
Yes, ma'am.
By Pythagoras theorem. Good. Now your next step would be take radius OC in your compass. Take radius OC in your compass this much.
Ma'am, but joining O and C, the line is not so straight, ma'am.
Actually, I am drawing with running hand.
Ma'am, so it will be straight.
Yeah, not it like this only. See, it like be this. This is your root 3. This is this. It will be like this, like this. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now, take with OS center with radius OC. Just put an arc over here, which intersects this number line after 1.5.
Ma'am,
Right?
can you repeat?
Yes, I'm waiting.
Ma'am.
I am getting before 1.7.